Luxembourg is offering farm workers visa for foreign workers. You heard me right. And this could be your golden opportunity to start a new life in one of the Europe's wealthiest country. Yes, guys. And guess what? These jobs are not just about farming. There are varieties of jobs you can explore. So stick with me in this video as I walk you through the details, what it required, and how to apply to this job. And I will also explain why this visa is such a big deal. So let's dive in, guys. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel with Olakemi. If you want to move to Europe but you don't have a fancy degree or you don't have years of work experience, then this video might just be for you. Luxembourg is a tiny but mighty country in the Europe and is currently offering visas to foreign farm workers. And here is the best part of this is that you don't need to have a work experience, guys. And there is no age restriction as long as you are above 18 years. And plus, you don't need to worry about English test. This application doesn't require English exam at all. But before we dive into this video, guys, if this is your first time coming across this channel, let me know where you're watching me from and I'll come in the comment section to do what? To welcome you to the family. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any opportunity like this. To my returning subscriber, guys, you are the best. Thank you for your continued support. And on this channel, I share global opportunities for work, for education, for relocating abroad. And trust me, guys, this is where you want to be because this is where we share well-detailed information and also teach you how you can apply to it. Luxembourg is looking for foreign workers to fill in critical roles in their agriculture sector. And they've opened their doors for foreign applicants, and I am so happy about this opportunity, guys. Whether you have farming experience or not, guys, you are welcome to apply. The roles are designed to be entry level, which means you will receive any necessary training on the job. And it is not just about traditional farming, guys. There are 5 different jobs opportunity under this farm worker category. And one is crop farming. If you like farming and seeing things grow, this might be for you. Under this job role, you'll be planting, watering, and harvesting crops like fruit, vegetables, and grains. Plan 2 is livestock care. If you enjoy working with animals, in this role, you will be feeding, cleaning, and managing animals like cows, pigs, or sheep. And the third job under this category is greenhouse work. If you are someone who likes planting or controlled environments, this is the perfect fit for you. You will manage plants, flowers, and vegetables grown in greenhouse. And the fourth job is farm maintenance. If you are good with your hands, here you'll be repairing fences, maintaining equipment, and handling general farm equipment. And the fifth job under this category is food processing. If you prefer working indoors, this role involves assisting with cleaning, packing, and sorting farm produce. There is something for everyone. So either you are a complete beginner or you have some experience, there is something for you. And that is what I love about this opportunity. So now let's talk about what makes this visa program so attractive. Luxembourg offers steady income and it is one of the highest minimum wages in the Europe. You will get work permit and resident permit, which means your visa doubles as a legal permit to live and work in Luxembourg. This is an amazing opportunity, guys, and you will also enjoy the opportunity to bring your family because some of these employers provide support for family visa. And apart from a steady income, you will also get a chance to live in Europe because this visa comes with incredible benefits, guys. And the benefits are social security benefits, career growth opportunity, safe and high standard of living, guys. And the Schengen access, this is a beautiful part. Your resident permit will allow you to travel all around the Schengen zone and explore countries like France, Germany, Belgium, and beyond. So guys, let's talk about how you can actually make this dream happen. I will share you my screen and show you the website where you will be applying for this job. And again, I will also share the recruitment agency that could also help you with your job hunting. So let's get into it. You know how we do it here. I will show you the site, show you how you can apply for this job, and to make everything easy for you guys. So let's head over to my screen as we do so. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you the sites and how you can find the jobs in Luxembourg and how you can apply for these jobs in Luxembourg. So I need you to pay attention and watch this video to the very end. And the first site I'll be sharing with you is the Euros. Euros is an Europe website where you can search for all kinds of job, be it firming job, any kind of job you can find on this site. And they've got more than 3 million jobs waiting for you on this site. So you can imagine the kind of jobs you can find. It's not only farm jobs, you can find different jobs also from different field on this site. So it's a great one for you guys. If you want to search for jobs, even if it's not a farming job, also come on this site and look for jobs here. And this site, remember, you can search for jobs in any Europe country on this site. So once you come on here, as I said, there are more jobs here. There are more than 2 million vacancy on this website. And the first thing you want to do is to search for the jobs you're looking for. So you can use this key, you can use this search key to search for your jobs, and it will bring for you thousands of jobs on this website. So you can see there are different field here. What you will do is to focus on your own field. Focus on the area that you've got experience. It is very important. And also here, and the best thing about this site is that you've got way which you can filter on this site to make your search much easier. So here, if you come on here, you can search for the publishing date. If there is certain dates that you want to check from within one, which dates to which dates, you can select it here. And here you can select the country and region. And also here you can select the kind of job schedule you want. If it's morning, if it's evening, if it's night, you can select it here. And also here you can select the sector, and here you can select your contract type. If it's full-time, if it's part-time, you can also select it here. And here, this is where you can pick your job language. If it's English, if it's French, if it's German, you will select it here. And here, experience, 0 years of experience, 2 years of experience, and the last one here, you will select your education level. So not all jobs that require education, not all jobs require English language as long as you can speak English, and not all jobs require experience, as I'd always say. So that depends on the kind of job you're looking for. You cannot be looking for a manager job and expect that you won't have experience or you won't have a degree to back it up. So for the farm job which we're talking about here, you are not required to even have a fancy degree. You're not required to have experience, but if you got experience, is a plus. So it is as easy as that, guys. So I will take you to the next site. So the next site is Aden. On this site, you have to log in, you have to register with them, and that is when you'll be able to see the kind of job available on this site. So there are many jobs on this site from different field, different background as well. So take your time to come on here and do what? And register. So once you register, you put in your details, you'll be able to access the job available on this site. Next site I will show you is Job Find It. This is a very good site which you can also find jobs in Europe. And on this site, you can search for job in any country, any field. Here as well, there are many jobs you can apply for here, guys. Take your time and search for the job. Job Finder is a very great platform which you can use to find jobs. You can search for jobs from any Europe country on this site. This is a very useful site. And the next site I will show you is Move It Job. This is also a great website, guys, and this is easy to access. There are always jobs available on this site. So they update jobs here on this site daily, hourly, and all that. You can see that there are jobs of 15 hours ago, there are jobs of 18 hours ago. And the next site is Euros Luxembourg. So here is basically for Luxembourg. So you can find any kind of jobs in Luxembourg on this website. So what you have to do is to log in, create a login details, and log into this website. So once you come on here, search for your jobs, and there are different fields on this site as well, which you can find job. There are different jobs on this site, so just come on here and search for the jobs you're looking for on this site. It is easy as that, guys. And this is the next site I will bring you to. This is called AgriJob. On this site, you will find different kind of agriculture job on this site, and they've make it also well understandable. So here, if you want to seek for job, if you're seeking for job, you have to register with your CV, you have to create your own login and all that. So once you come on this site, you have to click on register as a job seeker. So once you click on here, it will take you to a site. So it will bring you to this site where you will fill in all your details. Here you will fill in all your details, your job seeker information, what type of jobs you're looking for. You will put it here, your job seeker information, your name, email, your first name and last name, your mobile number, and also you will add your picture. So don't forget, guys, they were asking for picture. You must add your picture on this website. And also they will ask you to select your industry sector, your job category that you're looking for, your IS completed qualification. They also want to know your qualification and everything. So make sure you give them the right information to be able to get the right job on this site. This is a very good site, guys, and they've got a lot of jobs opportunity on this site. Another site that I will bring you is Indeed. Indeed is a site that you can easily get job as well, but Indeed determines on how you use it. So guys, I will show you how you can check for jobs on Indeed. And the best way to use Indeed is to create your own login details, create your own profile, build your profile, put your pictures, put your details, and continuously continue to, to update your profile, continue to update your profile on Indeed. Indeed is a great platform to look for jobs. So the best thing you want to do is to create a login details here on this channel, sign in, build your profile, put your picture, put your CV on this site, and make sure that whatever CV that you upload on Indeed is the same CV that you'll be sending to the recruiter, because there are some, once you apply to the job, they will send you an email and ask you to forward your CV. So don't make that mistake by sending them a different CV. So make sure you're putting the same CV that is on your Indeed profile, you're giving it to them. And if you want to search for this and if you want to search for farm job in Luxembourg, what you will do is to come here and type farm jobs. And here we'll pick country as Luxembourg, since we are looking for job in Luxembourg. So you can select any city you want. So let's search. So if you come here, you will see that there are different kind of jobs here. Take your time, read about the job requirements. Like here, there are construction workers, greenhouse, there are soil sampler, the greenhouse project coordinator. There are many jobs here, guys. So I want you to come here, take your time, read the details, the key responsibility, and apply accordingly. So if you also come here, if you also type crop farming, it will bring you some jobs that are under that category that are available. So like there is greenhouse project coordinator, crop consultant, and all that. There is operation specialist, there is tree trimmer, part manager, and the list continue like that. So once you come here, the 5 jobs that I listed under this video. Come to Indeed and search for the jobs accordingly. So once you search for the jobs, you will see the kind of job that it will bring up for you to be able to apply. So guys, another website I want to show you is Glassdoor. Glassdoor is a very great website to search for job. It is just like Indeed, and it is a great platform to search for jobs. There are many jobs on Glassdoor as well. So guys, another website you can also search for job is LinkedIn. LinkedIn Luxembourg. So guys, if you also come on LinkedIn and search for LinkedIn in Luxembourg, you will also get many job options that you can apply for. So guys, I'm going to be leaving all the link to this site to the description of this video. So make sure you tailor your CV to meet the job requirements. you want to make sure you have Luxembourg CV formats while applying for this job. It is very important because all these companies, they don't sort this CV by themselves, especially when there are a lot of application coming in. So you want to make sure that every jobs that you see, check the description, check the key responsibility of the job, and do what, and edit few to your CV. With that, your CV will be able to, to be selected. So guys, for your CV to be perfect, this is how Luxembourg CV should look like. If you see here, this is mentioned Luxembourg CV sample. So your picture should be here and your details should be in accordance. Your profession should come first. Your education should be the next. Your work experience, because each and every countries have their own CV standard. So whichever country we are applying to, make sure that you make sure that you follow the same CV template that they are using. So for Luxembourg, this is how the CV looks like, and see how it is. This will be your work experience, your your responsibility, and all that. So it is even a simple template, guys. It's not so complicating, and this is what you can do by yourself. So I will advise you to edit your CV to the same format, because this is Luxembourg CV format. So guys, I wish you the best in your application. So if you got questions, please drop it down in the comment section. So guys, that is all you need to know about the application. Luxembourg is one of the most prosperous nations in Europe. You heard that right, and it offers a safe and peaceful environment and endless opportunity to grow. And you will also enjoy high wages compared to other European countries, a multicultural community where many people speak English, French, and German. And also you will enjoy the access to top quality healthcare, public services, and beautiful natural landscapes. Guys, Luxembourg is such a beautiful country you want to be. So guys, what do you think? Are you ready to take the leap and start your new life in Luxembourg? Let me know in the comments, and if you have questions, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Travel with Olakemi for more exciting opportunity like this. Until next, guys, keep exploring multi opportunities, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.